Hey, this is Brad with WTI, and have you ever just needed a nice, cold, frosty beverage to wash something down with? Well, if you want to keep your beverage frosty cold, then I recommend the RTIC 12-ounce can cooler. So if you have anything in a can, your preferred beverage of choice, and you want to keep it cold, this is the way to go about it. What's nice about it is it really does just keep your drink cold. You can put it, beside you. Maybe you take a drink to the beach or something, and it gets hot and kind of lukewarm as the day goes on, or as you're sipping it, it gets less and less cold. Well, this keeps it from doing that. It's really simple to use. It's also really nice looking. It comes in different colors, and it's very durable. This thing has been dropped, it's been kicked, it's been scuffed, but it keeps its color really well. Also, the little rubber gasket on top keeps your drink securely in there, and you can fit more than just cans in there. You could fit bottles of different things, and it really does work very well for various kinds of drinks and various shaped bottles even. So that's what I enjoy about this RTIC 12-ounce can cooler, and that's my point of view.